In this video, let us look into one of the more fundamental concepts of a circle. As we go along the topic of the circle, we will come across something called as the equation of a circle. And what do you exactly mean by that? I mean, what does that equation of the circle mean? What exactly does it mean? So that is what we'll be looking into in this video. So now say we've got a circle here, okay, and that circle has got a center C, which is going to be a constant point or a fixed point, and then we've got a point, say P, which is going to move in a locus such that its distance from C is going to be the same. All right, and then the distance between C and P is called as the radius, which is denoted by R. So now, and apart from that, I think you know the basic things. This is called as the circumference of the circle, right? It's like, just like how do you say the perimeter of a square or rectangle? For a circle, it's called the circumference of the circle, the length of the boundary of a circle. Okay, that's called as the circumference of the circle. So what exactly do you mean by the equation of a circle? Where does circumference and radius and this point, this constant all come into play? Well, an equation of a circle actually means, alright, here we've got a quick little explanation. Say, by the equation of a circle is meant the equation of the circumference. So what we mean when we say the equation of a circle, it is nothing but the equation of this circumference here, right? So it is a relation between the coordinates x comma y of the moving point P. So the coordinate, let's say, of this P is x comma y. It is a relation between these coordinates x comma y involving some constants depending upon the position of the center. Center, sometimes it can be the origin of a rectangular coordinate axis, or it may have some coordinates 2, 3, or whatever that is. So it depends on the position of the center and the length of the radius also, or the distance between the center and the moving point P. So all these things will be considered when you're writing the equation of a circle. But mainly, this is the most important thing, I'd say. I mean, this is what you would actually want to take away from this video, is that in set theoretical notations, it is the set of all the points lying on the circumference of the circle, right? The equation of a circle is nothing but it is a set of all the points lying on the circumference of a circle. So what happens is, say finally when you've got an equation of the circle, when you substitute the values of the coordinates of all the points of this circumference, it should be satisfying the equation. That's what exactly this means. So that is what the equation of a circle means. Eventually, when you've got an equation, you'll have something called as x comma y in the equation. Now, what will you substitute in the place of x comma y? It is nothing but the coordinates of the moving point. The coordinates of the point when it is at this point or at this point, wherever this may be, the coordinates of that point, when you substitute in that equation, that equation will be satisfied. All right. So it's something that gets satisfied on the substitution of these coordinates of the moving point is called as the equation of a circle. All right. So that concludes this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more concepts based on a circle.